Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, if Shiba Inu hits 1 cent, how many tokens do you need to make $10 million? Now guys, as you know, we're all waiting for it to hit 1 cent, and that is going to happen. You know, it will eventually happen. The only question is when. But having talked about the when situation so frequently, so many times, I think it's time that we actually try and figure out, a plan. How much could we actually be making? You see, $10 million is a life-changing sum. Okay, but we would need to know how much we'd have to load up on, how much would reveal into this one. Now, a series of emotions gush through investors' minds when talking about a resignation letters, while the others could be on the lookout to buy their new dream house. Watcher Guru exclusively interviewed SHIB holders previously about what they would do if the token reaches 1 cent. Okay, so to know more about their dreams, hopes, and aspirations when SHIB reaches the 1 cent milestone. However, even if Shiba Inu reaches 1 cent someday, not everyone could make life-changing money, as $1 million is no longer a promising amount. A new house and a luxury car could wipe out $1 million in the blink of an eye to lead a financially stable life. A minimum of $10 million could be required to live peacefully without working for money. In this article, we'll discuss how many tokens you need to hold to earn $10 million if SHIB reaches 1 cent. So watch out for this one. Now, guys, Shiba Inu is currently trading at 0.401066 in the indices on Friday. Therefore, SHIB needs to spike 99,000% from its current price to reach the 1 cent mark. At the current level of 0.401066, an investment of $11,000 could make investors earn $10 million if it reaches 1 cent. Okay. Now, for a price of $11,000, investors get to accumulate 1 billion. Okay, 1 billion tokens. Therefore, the 1 billion SHIB tokens could turn to $10 million, around that number, okay, if Shiba Inu reaches 1 cent. So here it is, guys, the Shiba Inu converter. Now, in conclusion, investment of $11,000 today when Shiba Inu is at 0.401066 can get you 1 billion SHIB tokens. The 1 billion SHIB tokens could be possibly worth $10 million on the day SHIB reaches 1 cent. At press time, SHIB was trading at 0.401066 and is down 2.2% in the last 24 hours. Okay, so here it is, guys. A lot of movement, a lot of thoughts, ideas, and that is what I like. Now, some of you probably have different plans. Some of you probably heavily invest. Now the question is, are you really going to be able to hold it until 1 cent? I mean, what if it's just 2 zeros instead of 1 zero, and the sum is still quite big? It's going to be very tempting to cash out. So you're going to really be tested in terms of your psychology. But I mean, if it just jumps, okay, say for example, in a few days, if it just eliminates like 2-3 zeros straight away, then yes, people could make even more money. But if it's a kind of a gradual type of increase where, months and months you have to wait for each zero to be eliminated, it's going to be very, very tempting. I think only the strongest of the strongest will survive, will keep it until 1 cent. If that makes any sense. But guys, as I've said, Shiba Inu can create really, really big, life-changing moves. And it is probably a massive, life changer for many people. That's why they're invested in it. That's why they believe in it. And also, I wouldn't be making these videos if I didn't see any potential in it. And there's a lot of demand and a lot of interest for it. So I guess Shiba Inu is going to be going very, very high. Don't sleep on it. Don't think that, just because right now or in 2022 we didn't see many movements, that is not the case. Trust me, guys, a lot of FUD is going to be floating around, but that shouldn't discourage you, because this type of investment is one where you put your money and you wait for it to grow. Okay, it's on the side, you shouldn't worry about it, and great things will be happening very, very soon. So don't ever, doubt, don't ever get worried about it, because people have already made a lot of money in 2021. We know what needs to happen. We know the system. We know that those zeros need to get eliminated. With Shibarium, with a great system of burning, this could happen. With the increase of demand, with social media really pumping it, the moment we see an increase in price, it only starts increasing more and more, because people love increases in price. They want to invest in something that is growing. That is what is going to happen very, very soon. So watch out for this one. I'm going to keep on producing as much content as I can, motivational content, most importantly, you know, to not let you fall asleep, to not let you get discouraged. So hit that notifications bell. You know, your notifications bell is the most important thing. If you're subscribed, you won't see the videos. With notifications bell, you will, okay? And comment down below. I mean, what are you thinking? How much are you planning to make? Were you surprised that you need, you know, around $10,000–$11,000 to make $10 million, or would you expect it to be more, less? How do you feel about it? All that interesting stuff, leave it down below in the comment section. Talk, engage. Really, guys, you know, your thoughts do matter so much. So guys, as usual, a big thank you to everyone. You know, I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.